How's it going, gents? Here we are in the Arctic wintry cold. We got Brendan from Brendan the Nick Show. We're doing a WR camp today, all about the cold. Doing a cold camp again like I did last year. So we're packed up, got wood, we've got sleeping bags. Brendan's finding something a little bit better for the adventure. There's about 50 centimeters of snow up Lake Mountain, so we'll head up there. Nice big warm snow gloves and everything. Head up there, try and get a fire going this time because I failed miserably last time. Drink some tinnies, and sit around a warm campfire, hopefully.
So we got wood processing to do.
Wood processing to do. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Cold.
All right, gents. It's cold. It's cold. It's raining. It's going to be so wet. This is exactly like last time, but I reckon it was more wet last time. It was pissing down with rain.
More wet.
This is why freaking it's hard to get a fire going, man.
Tom's like, oh, there'll be plenty of wood. Oh, we'll just get wood and make a fire.
Dude, I've done this before and said it was hard as shit.
Last time I checked, water isn't combustible, mate.
Dude, everyone on YouTube comments was an expert fire builder and said it's just easy, so we'll put it to the test.
Right.
All right, gents, bit of snow up here now. This is fantastic. We're gonna freaking ride down this road. It's gonna be amazing. Oh, we're in the thick of it now. Yes!
Yeah.
Yes! We ain't mucking around anymore. Proper snow camping this time. The last time I camped over there was very little snow, but this time we've got a good freaking foot. It is fantastic. So fun to ride in. Tents are set up. Got the tinnies cooling down in the snow. They'll be ice cold. I've got the MSR tent. I thought I'd try something different than the bivvy. Brendan's got his little crappy tent. It's about to set up a tarp, but we're gonna get some wood going. We've got a little bit of dry wood, and we got some fire starters, so we're better off than me last time trying to get a fire going. But we'll see how we go, see if we can get it going. I reckon we'll be fine. Just getting the campfire spot ready. Try and clear all the snow so we can get a fire going, which is gonna be hard, because everything's waterlogged and soaked. Here's our one chance. Our one chance of getting a fire going. We only have limited dry wood. The rest is frozen and wet.
I'll try and stand a little bit more manly.
Yeah, nah, big man spread. This looks dodgy with your fingers there.
Mate, when you
just do one of those little ones again.
Are you filming?
That is a very sharp axe.
You gotta admit, are you filming right now?
Yes, I am.
Did you see this?
Yeah, straight.
Oh no, I missed it. Well, I'm trying to. It's a sharp axe, man. It's like a knife.
All right, we should be able to get this going. Fire lighters. Once we get going, we're gonna do this.
To all the fire experts out there on YouTube, can you please comment?
Yeah, tell us what we're doing wrong. No,
Like,
leave that. We've got to leave some in case we screw it up. We're doing pretty good now. Fire's going. We're working at it though, because that's pretty much the dry wood. Finding these little twigs up here and snapping them there. Pretty wet, but I reckon if we
That's the best we've got, mate.
get them near the fire, we can dry them out. We've got limited dry wood. It's getting dark. We're gonna die. I literally can't cook food if I don't get a fire going, so. Nah, I was freaking relying completely on the campfire. Otherwise it's Cliff Bars and lollies.
Smart fella, Tom.
I'm a smart fella. Fire's going, just about to cook up some pasta, my little titanium pot. I'm gonna do it now because this fire is going out. Like it's just, as you can see, we're in snow. The snow melts and it just goes into the fire as water.
Not too bad, man. You just gotta stand
We're doing
up.
all right, we're doing all right. We've got a big stack of wood, but it's so wet.
High maintenance fire.
We're just in hella snow out here. But let's get this food going. Get some warm food in us. That'll help.
Check this out.
Pot. Just open the lid. Check the lid.
I like to bring it over here and give it a stir. Oh, let me tap.
How's the tinnies? Tinnies going good.
Yeah.
Yeah, mate.
Going good.
fire is not
What do we
going
got?
good.
You've got some food.
It is very difficult.
I've got some snow.
It's been raining and it's the second it rains, it just goes out. That fire is literally just running off firelighters right now.
No, it's not. You don't underestimate.
We're just trying to
fire.
cook. Once we cook, then we're gonna. This has all been drying, so we're gonna be all right. We are working on the fire. This has not been an easy task. Not been an easy task in a foot of snow to keep a fire going.
Just gotta blow on it.
Just gotta blow on it.
No, I'll be fine.
It requires constant maintenance, a fire in this. It's also raining. See, that's the That's the biggest problem we've found.
Rain
That
just
snow in Australia, like, yeah, we've got a lot of snow. You know, couple of feet or two of snow. But the problem is it's not cold enough. It's only 1 degree. So it's actually still raining right now. So it's like, not only is it super cold, but it's wet. I'm about to give up and just get in my tent and get in my sleeping bags and watch Netflix.
Mate, you couldn't order
Brendan
a better
is
fire.
Brendan
Uber
is
Eats
fire
on
king.
I'm fire.
Do you reckon Uber Eats will come to this? Just come down this track, Uber Eats. You got a Land Cruiser or something? Yeah. We're on the tinnies, which is really good because they
I'm fire king.
Yeah, you're fire king.
I'm fire
You've done a good job. You've done a good job.
mate.
Tinnies are keeping cold. Helinox chair. Got the 2 Helinox chair zeros.
Tom would be frozen if it
Got to keep lightweight here, so we've got the Helinox rocking. Let's see how cold it is. We've got a very accurate thermometer. Casio watch. Let's have a look. What's the temperature? 0.6 degrees. That is the temperature. But yeah, I've got one more tinny left. This is what when we go camping, we like to stay lightweight. Where'd I put my tinny? It's in my pocket. We like to go lightweight when we come camping, so we drink things like this. Focus, focus, focus. It's a 12%. A little bourbon and cola, usually Jack Daniels, but we have Woodstocks.
Nick's jealous is missing out.
Nick's jealous?
Yep.
Of course he is, because he's a freak. Moon is out and in full force. It doesn't really show it on the camera, but it's super bright out. We can see everything because it's all lit up. The snow is really reflective. The old colour white is pretty reflective.
That's what they say about what?
These tinnies are going good. This is freaking warming me up, man. Getting ready. How's the flask going? That's a good flask. Can I see? Is that engraved? Is that engraved? Is that titanium? Is that was a wedding best man gift, groomsman gift? No, you weren't best man.
Wedding? I was
You
one of
weren't
I was
best
one
man. You
I was second.
You're a good man, but not the best. Not the best of men.
Who made the music video?
Good Blaze, finally going. I got it going, guys. I got it going.
Tom's a
So
complete liar.
I'm a liar. I'm a liar. I was gonna give up. I said,
Tom takes credit for, you know he's bullshit.
yeah. Here, we're gonna let this burn out. It's about 10 p.m. tonight, and then freaking jumping our tents, and see how we go through the night. See if we survive.
I reckon we'll do it.
This could be the end of us.
I reckon I'll make it with at least 8 of my fingers.
This could be the last episode of the Brendan and Nick show.
Yeah, well, Nick's not here, so...
Rip! Alrighty, gents!
G'day, gents!
Move my tent. Looks like the fire's cropped up. I can see it. Huh? Through my tent, I can see the fire.
Oh, yeah?
It's blazing.
Oh, it's blazing.
Maybe it lit up your WR.
Dude, it's because I made it. That's
Yeah.
why it's so good.
We're in our tents. I'm in double sleeping bag. Oh shit, my camera's fogging up. It's getting cold. It's getting cold. It's negative. It's below 0 Celsius, but I'm in 2 sleeping bags, an egg 10 and an egg 4, so I should be alright. The ground is freezing. There's like snow just outside my tent. It's pretty wild. Well, gents, we survived. Survived the morning. Still lots of snow underneath us. We both slept in 2 sleeping bags. I was in a negative 10 and then a negative 4 down sleeping bag, and it was great. Camera's fogging up. It is probably a little bit warmer in the tent right now. Let's check on the old rocket clock. It is 2 degrees in here now, so pretty warm. Yeah, time to pack up. Pack all the stuff off in the WRs and have a little snow ride out of here, and then get to Marysville and bacon and eggs and lattes. So this is where we camped. Brendan's little tarp set up with his little weenie little tent.
Mega tent.
Got my MSR tent, just warming the black up, making sure it starts. MSR tent worked great. Still lots of snow, still very cold. -4 last night, I think I got to. But we were fine in our sleeping bags, but now we're gonna pack up and get some bacon and eggs and lattes. Let's do it. Hell,
I'm hot now.
that is hard.
I'm sweaty.
I'm gonna dry the old socks. They're freaking water in them. Look at that steam coming off them. Jesus.